Wellness Spa.
I wanted to throw a holiday party for my staff, and I realized in this day and age with COVID, it's physically impossible.
This is an issue many companies are facing this holiday season. Rebecca is trying to show her staff that there are still ways to celebrate this season.
So the staff can be outside and have their food, and everyone's safe.
Inclusion Wellness Spa was able to celebrate at a distance today, and this is an idea many companies may be doing this Christmas and Thanksgiving.
This is a great idea for other business owners to do for their staff. Contact him. You will not be disappointed. It makes your staff happy, and it's giving back. It's all about the small things and being grateful.
And so we come out, usually somebody will call us. If not, sometimes we'll do curbside, especially because of the whole COVID situation. And we come out and I cook nothing but French toast, which is the toast factory is based around.
Some of the choices today were vanilla sensation, banana cream, apple, chicken French breakfast model with sweet potatoes and chicken on the side, along with whipped cream and sugar on top, all homemade.
It was very thoughtful. The food was phenomenal. It was a great way to try to have a holiday party with the current circumstances in the world.
If you want to support this local pop-up, we'll put Keith's information on our website at WHEC.com. Samantha LaRocca, News 10 NBC.